Yeah guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. All right, so quick one. In this video I'm going to be sharing one of my best trading strategy. This is my private strategy. See, anybody who have passed through my mentorship program and you are watching this video right now, I sincerely apologize. Okay, I decided to bring this one out because of the reaction I get in my videos, people liking what I do, the information I dish out. Now I want to blow your mind. I want to do something more interesting. Okay, now it's going to be very simple. So first, I am a trend trader, so I'm always looking for when the price is trending. Okay, I look for direction. Once the price is up, I'm buying. Once the price is down, I'm selling. Okay, now I'm going to share with you how I do this, how I break down the chart. Very easy and simple, and was able to make a better entry. Now quickly, first, we all know that a trending market, if the price is trending up, the price keep creating higher highs and higher lows, right? When the price is also trending to the downside, the price do the opposite, creating this to the downside. Now there's something we don't, most of us here don't know. If you have not been in my mentorship program, you might not know this concept. Now, concept of the time frame that is moving the trend, right? So for the fact you see that the price is trending to the upside or to the downside, it never means that you actually know the particular time frame that is moving that trend. First, you need to verify which time frame is moving the trend. That's the place you are going to be focusing on, the setup you are using. So let me share with you a few things here. So if the price is trending to the upside, you can see, if you see this, okay, the price doing this is an uptrending market. There's no argument, the price is going to the upside, but this is not the time frame that is moving the trend, guys. Okay, this is not the time frame that is moving the trend. So the question is, how do you know the time frame that is moving the trend? That's the big question. And if you understand this concept, you are going to become a better trader, and that is exactly what I'm here to share with you. Now, the time frame that is moving the trend is the time frame that is clearly showing you the progression of the chart. Okay, the chart creating series of higher highs and higher lows. If you check, let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If you look at, let's say if this is a 1 hour time frame, okay, let's say this is 1 hour. Once you open your chart and you can clearly see the progression of higher highs and higher lows, that is the time frame you should stick with any strategy you are using. Maybe you are trading trend lines, you are trading support and resistance, you are trading break and retest, you are trading flip zone, any strategy. First, if you be able to identify the time frame that is moving the trend, you have done more than half of the work, right? So this is the time frame that is moving the trend. If you see any charts this way, now look at another thing I want to share. If the price is doing this, for instance, you can bear with me that, or you have to agree with me, you don't even have choice right now, because I have the information. This is still an uptrending market, right? This is still an uptrending market. So but if this is maybe 15 minutes, the worst mistake you are going to do is to start trading or taking your whatever strategy you are using. I don't care. If you start taking that trade on this 15 minutes time frame, you are likely going to be having fake out. You are likely going to hit your stop loss, even though the price is going to the upside. That's the question a lot of people do ask me. Or whenever I enter the trade, the price will just hit my stop loss and go my direction. Maybe you bought maybe around this zone, okay, maybe you enter your buy here, and at the end of the day your stop loss is here. The price have pushed up, giving you your entry, you enter, the price push down again with weak, then boom to the upside after hitting your stop loss. This is the reason, because you are making entry without understanding the time frame that is moving the trend. This concept is a game changer, guys. Okay, is a game changer. I'm going to be sharing with you how to identify this in the chat, but before then I want to share how you can get my robot. Okay, how you can, a lot of people are asking me of this, and I've decided to share with you how to get this thing. It's launching tomorrow, so you have to understand or see the place where you can actually get this robot. Okay, so guys, once the robot is launched, you'll be able to access this website tomorrow. Okay, what you have to do is just simply come here, you scroll down. We have a C Smart Pro which trades crash 1000. We also have B Smart Pro that trades boom, 1000. Okay, so all you have to do, let's say you want to buy for crash 1000, you simply click on purchase now. Once you click on purchase now, it will take you to this place where you're going to put in your name, your email, and you select duration that you want. If you want 2 months, if you want 1 year, if you want 2 years, 3 years. Once this is one time payment, it's not like you keep maybe if you pay for one year or 2 years, maybe after 2 months or 1 month they will start collecting any fee or anything again. No, you have, once you pay for 1 year, the robot runs for 1 year for you. If you pay for 2 months, good. If you pay for anyone that you want, you choose. All right, so you can select how many accounts you want to purchase. In terms of, you might decide to purchase this robot for several accounts. Maybe you want to buy for yourself, for your friends, for your anything. You can actually come here, select maybe 2 accounts or 3 accounts or something like that. Okay, then you can actually make payments using your card, maybe through bank transfer, USSD code. You can also make payment through cryptocurrency, USDT. Right, once you are done, selecting whatever you want, you agree to, you go through the terms and condition, then you continue with your purchase. Once you successfully purchase this robot, make sure that when you are entering this your email, the email is verifiable, is correct, because everything about this robot is going to be sent to your email. The link to download the robot will come through your email, your login will come through your email, your secret key, that's verification key, will come through your email. So make sure that you are entering the right email right here. So this is how the email you are going to receive look like. So you have the link, okay, on how you can actually, the link that you will click and you'll be able to download the robot, the resources, the link to resources, maybe the videos for installation and everything will be sent to your email just like this. Your password also will be sent to your email. Your secret key for verification, or when you enter MetaTrader 5, will also be sent to your email. That's the reason why you need to make sure that the email you are entering is right and correct, so that way you don't have any issues, right? So I think after this you are good to go. Everything, the videos, the process will be sent to your email. Okay, so having seen this, we go back to our strategy, guys. So guys, back to the chart. This is what I mean by the time frame that is moving the trend on volatility 100. Okay, 15 minutes time frame. I want you to pay close attention to this price action. If you take or make your entry or use any strategy on this time frame, your winning rate is definitely going to increase, right? The probability of you hitting your TP is high. The reason is because you are in the right time frame. But most of us are making the mistake of taking trades in maybe using the wrong time frame. No matter the strategy you are using, it will definitely affect you. I know what I'm saying. I'm sharing a premium information to you guys here. Okay, if you look here on 15 minutes time frame, okay, even if you are blind when it comes to your analysis, how to you analyze the trade, the price created a double top. Okay, everything is just on point. Created a double top, which is showing the sign of weakness among buyers, right? It's showing this is a reversal pattern. Now after the reversal pattern, what the price did was to start giving us a clear lower lows, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so you can easily identify this high: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Everything is just on point. If you still shift a kind of scroll down, you will see everything clearly. Okay, you can see how this time frame keep moving this trend. Okay, so now what are you seeing? The price have created a high right now. Okay, have created a high, so we are looking forward for this price to drop and break this previous low. Okay, so now if you decide to enter a sell here, you are likely not going to be wrong, no matter the strategy. Let's say you just close your eyes without doing any other analysis and enter a sell at this zone. You're actually doing the right thing. Like, trading is just you just understanding the chart pattern or the price action, what the price is doing, and you follow the price, right? So you can easily just, okay, you want to, maybe you're a trend line trader, you simply connect your trend line, okay, at this point. Maybe connect your trend lines this way and you wait for the price to retrace back to our zone, then you will sell at that zone. Okay, then you make your money. by just understanding the time frame that is moving the trend. Remember, I'm just sharing with you the concept, the background information of the strategy I'm going to be sharing in the next video. That's why I'm taking my time so that you understand this concept, so that once we come back to that strategy, you know, ask any question. Okay, so make sure you understand this. Understand the time frame that is moving the trend. So this is exactly what I mean by the time frame that is moving the trend. Okay, so we have another example on volatility 50. Okay, 15 minutes is also moving this trend right now. You can just see how the price move, okay, towards the downside. So you can mark out this. If you look at the price now, if you are selling at this point, you are not making any mistake. If you are selling, you know what I'm sharing with you is something that if you apply, you see results, right? You see results. If you are selling at this point, you are not making any mistake, because you can clearly see the price giving you that downtrending vibe. Okay, everything is just on point, right? Everything is just on point. So everything is flowing. So if you see something like this in any time frame, you should stick to that time frame while doing your analysis. Maybe if you trade, maybe using trend line, you trade using support resistance, you trade with, maybe you have flip zone strategy. Okay, just make sure that you have these things in check. So once you have them, you can now start trading. Maybe break the price, come here, break, retest, you sell here. It will be more easier for you. The price come, retest, you sell here, okay, to downside. So I want to also share with you example of some charts you have to avoid in terms of when when the price is trending, right? So if you look here, this is 1 hour time frame on crash 1000. Guys, the price is pushing to the downside, but the truth is, this is not the kind of chart you want to trade. Guys, see what the price is doing. Okay, from here you can actually figure out the progression of this chart. Okay, you can't figure out what this chart is doing. So each time you are selling, let's say, let me give you a clear example of what I mean so you understand this thing I'm saying. So let's say you decided to sell, you have seen, okay, the price is pushing to the downside, and you started to sell maybe at this swing high. You decided to sell here. Have you seen what the price did? The price pushed up, put you out of the market, pushed down. Okay, so you see the problem. Now if you also, maybe after that spike to the upside, okay, you decided to do another sell, let's say at this push, okay, you decided to sell here. Can you see what the price is now doing? The price is coming back to take this stop loss away around here. So the price can push up here, or even push all the way high to this zone to form double top before dropping to the downside. So once you see a chart like this and you want to take advantage of the trend, please avoid taking this kind of trade. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, or let's say 30 minutes time frame, you will still see the same thing. This is not the kind of chart you want to start taking trade on. You are not clearly seeing that movement. You are not clearly seeing those highs, those lows, the progression, you know, as the price is pushing to the downside. All right, so once you see this kind of chart, you avoid it. So this information is vital. If you apply these things, if you apply this thing I'm sharing with you, you know, add small or kind of confluences by maybe adding support, resistance, anything that you know about trading. If you add it to this information, you will see how better you become, both on your entry and how price go in your direction. So guys, that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new to this channel, guys. Bye for now. Enjoy.